Hi dentist, it's P square. Our main topic is calcium hydroxide cement. But before that, we will discuss classification of dental cements. Classification according to setting reaction as acid-base reaction cement, polymerization cement, dual core cement or tri-core cements. Acid-base reaction cements लिक्विड एसिड की तरह एक्ट करता है और पाउडर बेस की तरह। जब पाउडर और लिक्विड की मिक्सिंग होती है, एसिड बेस रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस फॉर्मिंग अ विस्कस पेस्ट जो कि सेट होकर हार्ड हो जाता है। पॉलीमराइजेशन सीमेंट्स सेट बाय पॉलीमराइजेशन रिएक्शन आइदर लाइट एक्टिवेटेड और केमिकली एक्टिवेटेड, एग्जाम्पल रेजिन सीमेंट्स। Dual core set by acid base reaction and one of the polymerization reaction that is either light activated or chemically activated. Tricore one on the other hand set by all the above reactions. Classification of cements based upon function by Craig's. Final cementation of completed restoration zinc phosphate GIC. Temporary cementation of completed restoration or cementations of temporary restorations by zinc oxide eugenol or non-eugenol 1. High stress bases zinc polycarboxylate GIC, temporary filling zinc oxide eugenol, and our topic 1 calcium hydroxide. Liners again calcium hydroxide in a suspension and varnish resin in a solvent. Based upon application as type 1 luting under it. First is fine grain for cementation and luting and other is medium grained for bases and orthodontic purposes. Type 2 restoration. Type 3 as liners or bases. ISO standards covering cements. In this 1998 indicates the year of this particular. Part 1 powder liquid acid based cements. Part 2 light activated cements. Next is zinc oxide or eugenol and oxide or non-eugenol cements. And last is polymer based filling, restorative or luting materials. Now starting the main topic on which question comes as short note on calcium hydroxide. It is relatively weak and commonly used for direct or indirect pulp capping. It serves as protective barrier against irritant for restoration due to its alkaline nature. We will also study light cured calcium hydroxide bases and calcium hydroxide root canal sealing paste. Applications as direct or indirect pulp capping agent, as low strength base under restoration for pulp protection. In epoxification, calcium hydroxide is used in case of trauma to the tooth. Leave it for 1 to 2 months and after that it undergoes permanent treatment. This is pinpoint exposure of pulp on which calcium hydroxide is applied for secondary dentine formation. Composition. Base paste contains 1-methyl trimethylene disalicylate 40% which react with calcium hydroxide and zinc oxide, calcium sulfate, titanium dioxide as filler, calcium tungstenate or barium sulfate which impart radio opacity. Catalyst paste contains 50% calcium hydroxide principal reactive ingredient, 10% zinc oxide, 0.5% zinc stearate act as accelerator, xylene toluene and sulfonamide 39.5% which is oily compound and act as carrier. Setting reaction. Calcium hydroxide react with 1-methyl trimethylene disalicylate ester and also with zinc oxide to form amorphous calcium disalicylate. Properties. Mechanical properties. Compressor strength is low but it increases with time. Tensile strength is 1 megapascal. It has low elastic modulus which limit their use to areas not critical to support of restoration. Thermal properties. Sufficient thick layer is required for thermal insulation but not recommended more than 0.5 mm. Solubility is high with water, phosphoric acid and ether. Therefore, care should be taken during acid etching and during application of varnish in presence of calcium hydroxide. Biological properties. Alkaline in nature due to free calcium hydroxide and along with it antibacterial and protein lysing efficiency help in formation of secondary dentine. Adhesive bond is weak as it is sensitive to water and it does not adhere in presence of blood, water or saliva. Manipulation. कैटलिस्ट और बेस्ड पेस्ट की इक्वल लेंथ को यूनिफॉर्मली मिक्स करते हैं एंड अप्लाई यूजिंग अ कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड कैरियर और एप्लीकेटर. इसको डीप कैविटीज़ में और पिन पॉइंट एक्सपोज पल्प में भी यूज़ करते हैं. सेटिंग टाइम इज़ बिटवीन 2.5 to 5.5 minutes and reaction accelerates by moisture and accelerators. Light activated calcium hydroxide cement. In addition to conventional calcium hydroxide cement composition, it contains HEMA, that is 2-hydroxyethyl methacrylate, and polymerization activators, and sometimes contains fluoride because of its anti-cheirogenic property. Its advantage is they have long working time and it is less brittle as compared to conventional one. Last is calcium hydroxide root canal sealing paste. It contains increased amount of retarders to extend its working time when manipulating in warm environment of root canal. Both previous one and this is radio opaque. Advantages: effective antibacterial properties without irritation and stimulate hard tissue repair in the apical foramen. That's it. Thanks. Make sure to share the knowledge with your friends. Keep supporting.